Okay, so this is my review over my gun, the Lancer assault rifle from Gears of War. I know it looks like crap, but I didn't really do much with the chainsaw part. Here's the clip. I've got a shell and bullet in there. And before you ask, I am not doing a tutorial over this gun. Unless you want to go out and buy me some more tape yourself. But here's the bullet and shell. Just stick the bullet in there. And now it's loaded, and all you gotta do is blow in the end, and after you shoot it, you just pull back and the shell pops right out. So yeah, basic clip, just a little square, I guess. This gun took me I'd say about 3 hours to make. Pretty simple, actually. So this gun was not in my video where I had all of my paper weapons in it, but this is a brand new gun. So I just made it yesterday. You can see that. But yeah, brand new. I wanted to do a review over it. I'll be making more reviews soon. And do not ask for a tutorial on this gun.